that warm, melt-in-your-mouth glazed donut, how does Krispy Kreme make them so perfectly light and sweet?
Today on Food Flavor, we take you inside the real process behind the world's most famous original glazed donuts.
From soft yeast dough to the signature glossy glaze, this is how it's done at industrial scale. The Hot Now light isn't just marketing tubes. It's the result of a precise, continuous production system. Billions of these light, airy donuts are made every year using time-tested techniques and modern machines.
Get ready for one of the most mouth-watering and satisfying factory tours you'll ever see. Like and subscribe to Food Flavor if you love watching how iconic treats are made. It all starts with simple ingredients: flour, yeast, sugar, water, milk, eggs, and shortening.
The yeast is what gives Krispy Kreme donuts their signature light and airy texture.
Proper gluten development is essential for that soft, stretchy bite. The mixed dough is soft, slightly sticky, and full of life from the yeast.
Temperature is controlled so the yeast stays active but doesn't over-ferment.
Fresh dough is now ready for the first rise.
Warmth and humidity help the yeast produce carbon dioxide.
This first proof develops flavor and creates the signature soft texture. Timing is critical. Too little or too much rise affects the final donut.
Once properly proofed, the dough moves to forming.
Every donut is uniform in size for consistent frying and glazing.
They are now ready for the final rise before frying.
This final proof is what creates the famous melt-in-your-mouth texture.
Perfect proofing is one of the secrets behind Krispy Kreme's success.
Automated systems flip them at the perfect moment.
Both sides turn a beautiful golden brown.
Frying time is short and precisely controlled.
the most iconic step point, the original glaze.
The heat of the donut helps the glaze stick in a thin, even coat. Every donut receives the same perfect amount of sweetness. The result is the classic translucent melt-away glaze.
This single step creates the unforgettable Krispy Kreme experience.
Some are prepared for longer distribution while still tasting fresh.
From yeast dough to that warm, glossy, original glazed donut, this is how Krispy Kreme magic is made.
Next time you sew the hot and out light or take that first soft bite, you'll know the careful process behind every single donut.
If this tour made you crave a fresh glazed donut, smash the like button, subscribe to Food Flavor, and tell us in the comments, which sweet treat should we reveal next?